Sunflower oil is one of the most popular cooking oils in the world. But have you ever wondered how it's made? From farm to factory, let's take a look at the journey of sunflower seeds as they are transformed into pure, golden sunflower oil. Cleaning and preparation. The process begins with cleaning the sunflower seeds. Any dirt, debris, or unwanted materials are removed to ensure only high-quality seeds move forward. Once cleaned, the seeds are dried to reduce moisture and improve oil extraction efficiency. Dehulling and grinding. Next, the seeds go through a dehulling process where their outer shells are removed. The kernels inside contain the oil we need. These kernels are then crushed and heated, which helps release more oil during extraction. Oil extraction. Now, it's time to extract the oil. There are two main methods: mechanical pressing and solvent extraction. In mechanical pressing, the seeds are squeezed under high pressure to release crude oil. In solvent extraction, a chemical solvent like hexane is used to pull out even more oil from the remaining seed cake. Filtration and refining. The extracted crude oil is then filtered to remove impurities. If a higher purity is needed, the oil goes through refining. This involves degumming to remove gum-like substances, neutralization to get rid of free fatty acids, bleaching to improve color, and deodorization to eliminate any unwanted odors. The result? Pure, high-quality sunflower oil. Packaging and distribution. Once the oil is refined, it's packaged into bottles, cans, or bulk containers, ready to be shipped to markets worldwide. Every bottle you see on store shelves has undergone this careful process to ensure quality and freshness. Conclusion: from tiny sunflower seeds to golden oil in your kitchen, the journey is truly fascinating. Next time you use sunflower oil, you'll know the hard work and technology behind every drop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content. Every juicy blueberry you enjoy begins its journey here, in the heart of nature. Carefully nurtured by farmers, these berries grow under the perfect balance of sun and rain. Transportation to the factory. Once harvested, the blueberries are quickly transported in temperature-controlled vehicles to ensure freshness. Sorting and cleaning at the factory. At the factory, only the best berries make the cut. They go through a rigorous sorting process, removing any unripe or damaged ones. Freezing and packaging. To preserve their natural goodness, the best berries are flash frozen within hours of harvest, ensuring you get farm-fresh taste anytime, anywhere. Distribution and market. From our farm to your table, we ensure every blueberry meets the highest quality standards, so you can enjoy nature's best in every bite. Happy family enjoying blueberries in different ways: smoothies, pancakes, and fresh snacks. Delicious, nutritious, and farm fresh, our blueberries are made with care for you.